I'm Nicole Whippy
Iana Grace.
and this
Is our world.
Would you look at that?
We both remember this. It was like my first day. I was going in to pick up some scripts. The casting director was like, "Oh, your mum's here." And I was like, "All right."
I was like, could she pass for a Fijian? Actually, Iana looks a lot like my daughter,
That's
my
true.
eldest daughter. When my husband met Iana, he went, whoa. When we looked at the roles, we really wanted to, of course, draw upon who we are, that we were represented properly on a primetime drama on TV. And so we decided together that we were going to be Fijian Samoan.
Yeah. We took that to the writers. They hadn't decided for us, which was nice. They did decide that they asked us kind of how we wanted to represent that side of our family.
This is a completely new start in a fresh environment.
And I'm the same weirdo.
Hey, you are not a weirdo.
I need to get my other shoes.
You know, I've done all this screen work and I'd moved into directing on Vi and Fijoa Club, and I really thought maybe that's where the direction my career was going. I actually spoke to my producer, Kerry Wakia, and just went, do I take it? You know, I've got all this stuff happening. Do I do this? And she went, you know, you can do it all. You can be a mother to 2 kids. You can be a director and a writer and create your own stuff and be on Shortland Street and do what you love. You can do it all. So do it.
But lately I've been having these feelings about
5 Hail Marys.
No, Father, that's not it at all.
I did a lot of theatre. I did my minor in drama, but it's not the same as doing drama school. But I feel like Shortland Street's my drama school.
It is.
My dad is Samoan. He's like most Samoan man you've ever seen. My mum's Palangi, but she's always really, really pushed for that Samoan culture to be a really big part of mine and my sister's lives.
Like, we realise how special it is, this relationship on screen and as people, as who we are. Because we have sharing something quite similar, which is really good because we can really prop each other up with that. Kind of navigating our way through it together, aren't we?
Yeah.
Will not allow you to take any more from us!
Koe mga ahoa ni, ke lele ya koe mamea.
I'm tired of molding myself to become who you want me to be.
I knew that there was an idea behind it of every writer-director had to have an Indigenous connection to their island. I was like, well, I can't represent Fiji. Listen to me. Let's go represent Fiji. I don't represent Fiji. All the Fijians gonna be like, what? It was really important that people like myself and my sister, Kailoma, which is Afakasi. I think Kailoma actually means in between, which is really what we are. But we are stories of the Pacific. Our story in Vi is on the migration, on the leaving as the little girls, the place you were born, and leave the people you love. But I think directing a story that is so close to you, it's like, people are like, how did you do this and how did you do that? And I'm like, well, I knew every single breath of that story because that story was us. The biggest realization that I'm having with representation is that I am enough. You know, kids were brought up like me with the worst New Zealand accents who couldn't speak their language. I'm still Fijian. Just having my face there is a whole community of people that really relate to that. And I see it when I go to my daughter's Meki class and I walk in and all the little Fijian kids are like, Nicole from Shortland Street, Nicole from Shortland Street. And it's like, I am them. You know, they look at me, who's like the silly mum in their class with my daughter, and they go, that could be me.
You don't need to sacrifice anything. There are actors who are fantastic actors, and any kind of ethnicity that you want, any kind of sexuality that you want, any kind of gender that you want, like, they are out there, and it's just really important to look for them.
Even though in the past we have been an underrepresented community that haven't been heard as much, that now we are front and centre, and the Pacific Island community is, especially in New Zealand.